Asemedi kadia bra na bibia ko kama begin say also bibia ko yi edema maka cho say adenya cho sa de say we de boa o man wabusua wankasa wadwuma ye no wankasa abrabo no wadofo no is very key, very important. Yeda Kel Charcoal toothpaste ejumako de by Samara Company Limited. The owner so kwanson kosokra is another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Eya portion how they pour was eye jebidi and a body tea can see any abe for kwanso and the didi juma said be a sibe fita and can be free no muba ebe kona fa ma hoden yes na hoden so kokra inti Samara Company Limited, one of the Kel Charcoal toothpaste so aba St. Andrew so eka was one go so ma kwanya sa kwanya o apeso ma ntitiye wo SHS boarding omse sa kwanya no ewo edema onu krabata bi wa senfosu akra anafe ni odubi ase dunko ono free mankesim shama anafe sefi asanwene so afi oyo obi a wo watchro so ha wo hwe so BC a wo hwe ni ma omse still bit me apply na onya kwanya wo SHS 1 nim Free one war 0244 6969 11 and 020789 1004. Na what me do Juma at all so. Mecha abusu free war afunyina obia mecha mtichu Alaji Collins down there wisdom pot the man for Erikopoku a potential vice president Almighty Frida Prempe chairman of Kwanso Kuso na Nimian for Benjamin Anafi. Oh, former chief of staff.
Incoming vice president.
Oh, wow.
That's mine.
Okay. Ira Bobi and Sanso. Bobi. Ira Bobi, a deputy sports minister. For also a child.
On the answer. We for Sanso.
But Ira Bano. A certificate not also a child Kwanso Kuso.
Na kuma MC bi ya woncha
kuma machia kuma MC machia na mimi yadi hine na wadaro ma mambo mu asina lawyer de uma lawyer kwanya na de obeje me anope wadaro ma na no akwasi de na esem be kan moment member very massive twene bo akodua
correct
anope match
medical director pa professional pa na
wadaro de la twu very me me so na aba himfia ma aba yense bebre eji tu mpre ko peda na mechi awache me chi akwanso nkusukra ene adehia mo kwa abenso mo so echi mo kwanso nkusukra ya baba akakotia star boy wa anum sei sanso na lechum be man so e wa anum sei ni nyina ne nkoma yedi afa Ghana ho ma Ghana ti me konkan ma bibia ti makokama lawyer quick one again na da wakoma so senka unya yanka yedi ho nkomo quickly the do akoma so officer wadwun say the same
babra am say and ma kana be mpre kakra was ekosi senso the fact say me say IGP dampare on say sane wabim kakra mayen and mo say mo yes police for no agina junction so ne traffic ase park motor ne tetese no babra ehia but as one presence wo bebre na hunya
omo presence do na hunya ahun say kwabra amanfo firifie kwadwuma mu nkofie nkodu machi ne awia omo especially new areas estates awodo develop say wa ntu yankra ba bebrebe no ubefi wa baba dwuma da no me kana sampa no bi sende ne police extractor okofie ni akowia no ne police adema obi na se de eka ni se bi ebu etrim ne eka edika
ususie mu no se police for me ensan nan be gina traffic light as junction so de wo mo ndar traffic o traffic ni na wo mo de an say parking motor ene ete so de ma ba ko panyina ho na me ensan aka ne kwai patrols within our communities ene ya media no
wow wakati mo
it's very important
because say na mpedu say omo East Legon Hills no dodo na eja ho
correct
abakrum nti omo chida ho
anya ho ko me say all the bebre me say mo ye bia brenti ntimi nka say wo de ubie mu ababe ni wo de da cross da fato na mu say
nti ko mu ne mu maye
this be one patrolling with because obi nim say me area ha mete
de bia ngo be twema
to be nam ha be nam ha akrofo are very careful and also me say mo asi mo dan ye twom wo yes ye wi mo conditions ye wi mo no say bebre ukọ report na police nsa kwensi Finsi. Yabaja to Yabaya investigation enquisition. Me say 2014. Me from trap by your boomika near yam back. Me passport to gym. Me the my police and then as a police woman from BM after some report case and then. Finsi. So we need to prevent than to say better madness and send a and the police and the police will say and the way to prevent this things from happening is let them I mean this visibility patrols I buy visibility is a police for the dimension now when you say we traffic like I say what the mama could be a friend say how can I say SGSS be a walk more hababi I would join the road no call SC what go me and answer over to motors now you are one person can do that job. One person can do it. Ubedu Nima dancing traffic light, baby, and now do feel one way then. Ah, meanwhile, I'm not for come on. So I clear free better. I'm not here, but now I know what you say. I mean, near no. I tell you, Obetia, Maka, them say, no come over and press and press. I make.
Okay.
It's no one fan of support because I didn't win.
Okay, all right. Meaning, say. Akotia start with video akoma so.
Yeah, video akoma so. But meka miniature de ne kaka. Once asem na chum kan serious. The essence of police visibility is to deter and provide rapid response in case BBC na yenuanom ni gina okra me de me ya kese pa ne say they are just fidgeting with their phones.
Missy me share back one or Timoto so go and no chat you kabla. What Timoto so already moto no chat. Police knew.
Oh. They are just fidgeting with their phones and not even observing anything in the environment. And this is I think say actually no we have proper orientation and training. So when say wako training abana ya fana na keke na yedina ba begu junction so let me tell you of an incident that happened around Morning Star. Me person me go police ni need because mo ni need pa. Omugu honom no as visibility. There were about 6 people. Na ufi police headquarters approaching Morning Star Cantonment Police Station.
Yeah, Cantonment City one.
There are 2 lanes are incoming lanes.
Yeah.
Na do enyuma traffic timichi o pa. The traffic na chi na yedi mo say no. Apparently now say road marking that formal. I indicate say wa wo inner lane no. Also ko say but the cars were obi akwa direction bi a ope. Then omu na omu all of a sudden you just come to stand in the middle of the road and say aye ba ni nyina no wachi yen. I'll say there's a neglect of road marking. To me, come business a road marking or I had to step. Me see from it took him like 5 to 10 minutes for him to wait. And my traffic in chance and with me, I coach him say marking that form. A job coach and business it's not hana mumu jina baby na mujina assess. And you pay 3,000. Ooh jina in order to avoid
exactly,
such
some of these things.
I was say ooh jina now my sense of direction. Ebi half on ya munko say.
Yeah.
That is what others do. But when they move good answers, so I will say watch it. And I watch it check now even the language. And then the kasa or no. Now a abotisem keke. And me there. Now I watch a lot of people struggle. I decided so okay, if this guy wants to charge it, let him charge us and take us to court because now the attitude no and your policing behavior. Because I was expecting say even having arrested some people no and quickly no we could join no we provide. But I'm finding who cry. Until you know, it's not just about some big judge now. Okay. Money, nye there. Essential omo ye no. So, I'm tell you na chumu kano motos no be 6, 5. Mujina one location, 7 what purpose. And I am comodie ni ade. So I think it's something that they need to. But coming to the simple thing, I mean, so Adom Mpensenpensemu, I think is the issue of political leadership. Sometimes same kind. Especially with the young ones, you know. I think so over the years, no more essential for more try say more boa nanki sanitize this space ne kaka. But do baby we get excited over ourselves. Na you can't certain kasa bi ne niama bi mo ansese ye ka. Me ana ye me fair because on my matina mo show you bi so ama me sorry me sofo afre me times o ya. Asem we ya kan na nsese nka o kanisa. But what happens is me need chum better na bi ojije me ana odi mi ko wi me nipa na nkasa o ba me su chum keke as example
me you asan
also is a good one me ma me na kan nipa ba ko fo ngo so na ko kan de yenka won nti sometimes I'm worried about say be say nyame so mu kakra edu baby a na politics ne kwa na e time e wo ani so kasa na sometimes ye can be o a emfa kwam any the way sometimes you did sometimes look I can give you an example. There's a guy I used to sit at a joint with Deco I think we been at all ye nia odru nyako na ma to adewe ebem. I was there guy no you be on President Mahama close pa. There was one evening he came and said, "Oh, Charlie, only so Luma used to phone we be. Minyanka auto cover we be. Na o de mama na medical chair na me catch and say, "Wo na de mama say, me fan brand." Fast forward no. Another time ni kweku buan ti asempa. Wa onim kweku ni nsem candidate. Na kweku tugum sa. Na mso betisi mu ase akoyi ne jo mama muti show no. Enyumbe na amikoshia na penos ene wanya adi o no say wo tissue ni so a wo keka won nsem na many oluma ati o so today our friend is not doing well at all. So sometimes enye sana aya ye peno
me say man say na na do aka me de ne pa.
So today our friend is not doing well at all. So because what twetwe akojina baby a and say sometimes we need to exercise the problem a bit. We need to be measured. So
sometimes the hits ni banu anya wutra what ya fasmo and then but anya wutra what ya fasmo but ja say me kan na e ba no asan
or say ba no eti message sometimes we need to be very careful. It's about issues. Let's debate the issues. So I say be many chuma betina so kasem na asem no ebro minim de so a say be enu nti anyame ama menyansa hu say minu na asem no kan inkum but I say me kasem so na ebro ne de so a ono so hu say asem a onue kan inkum. It's about that.
Okay.
It's simply about that.
Right,
it's
so
not about
for this wonderful intros now maybe me add up to a conversation about to us. Me kotre ikosi sense ko kasa about VRE. In fact, now everything was summing up to a certain level of negligence and neglect. Jading commoner quickly, no more a brief obi about omonyoman, your manamon two or more two and all those things. Then to start with, let me say, per what the commentary that they've given to Obi and the letters that I have seen, I think that Omo taking the needed initiative as so Omo me walk through we are not challenging woman now for their berme. One, affect
yeah.
So we could sit down or bear any quality sit down. The assembly, the community, the powers that be. Higher, my baby biadano, we say Jumano, and we should show by Bessa Casa and Kusiaga. So, Omunche Mudi can say the last time I would be Sa Akoso Munshu,
2010.
2010. Anna, Bilibia Dano, one way Gina too cool Honoma, and yes, I feel a baby so, and into the ever set up in the committee, and I say, there be a Bilibia Dano. Omo ku aye nananom ka ho assemblyman for ka ho DC for ka ho regional minister ka ho VRM pen for ka ho security pen for ka ho it's like almost everybody is involved so that in case of any eventuality no sa ankofuku ya be kwakobo de urodi ama. And in this case they issued 3 letters prompting a year additional one honum about sa anamontua omo betui, and it's the usual mantra of the Ghanaian. Ahaya ni ete nyehwe we kwa obi enu baby a we dey ultimate fetch and to me fa go enko baby a and then sa na no enti omo omonim die no they created a safe haven what be possible mostly insurance sorry any school as dan enti no whatever the case is insurance based the enkura na enkodu sa empempenso we. My next question was that in creating that safe haven no na mo adwene facilities se baby sebe kwada bedwade ma titi kwa na de bia me ade ya na masemi ya ma bedware ma sebe ombeye omo yi and all those things
sebe ma de na
and their reliance were on those facilities, safe haven, assuring the toilet and bath, school no toilet and bath, which was extremely limited in number.
Correct, yeah.
Eti me the NSA eya afenu nkomodi Ghana from Pamcho moment na me pese be have this conversation because any braba
o say no there be say can issues no
na me say na me person because ni bra ba e say e ma me ne papa no ne ofa no ne man you settle more calm down so that now we can say to ourselves say uni bia e de hie bia be ba cement na sa hie ni ma wo ba ya so de no e be twa so yen ka say be jaw say kwetena because e jaw say tena on so kra be de e be ba e be twa so whilst we are asking and telling VR4 say ampa mu oku adanse o matro krata ba ko mienu miensa kokoboro ina we are also drawing the attention to the fact that knowing that these are the challenges that comes up with be a dam na and so eba no me cry the man you know me say I say go say mining for there
settlement
I say sanity there go for e be pam mu ina afia there and there should be a permanent settlement to be at the cost of maybe we are near buying cabo mukra aye 2-bedroom or studio apartments you quickly buy in your mama and confess are you the amba and another matter for discussion but truth is that there was prior notice enough.
Okay.
2, the safe havens were not adequately enough say ebe provide the cater for certain essentials and the market say baby and all those things plus other matters this conversation must be to the it media no
all right
say you because as we speak this morning on Adom FM me te say me nua ba abna pokua ni wage settlers no o say insurance settle esa beba ya pam omo fi ho assembly na kwakutu na mo apam omo fi ho they've come back to baby a yaka cho say ensure ni be say won yo ma wo ye e bi kura fe no mo okoji 2000 or bi a provision shop ensure ni be tua fa so and so still so we are all at a crossroad now. What do we do? But let's start with the case of the VRA so that we can get the situation well. Yeah.
I agree, sir. Sometimes when certain issues come, and you're very clear enough, the responsible institutions should come up with the clarity so that the listeners will be well informed or the viewers will be well informed, as well as because the purpose of TV, radio is to educate and inform. And this amendment to one become be binanya who said what further and better information to the American, you provide it either to myself or to you, and then now you're the accountant in a very nice way.
Yeah.
Every single day we learn. Every single day we learn.
I'm just getting the information saying you should grant cemetery say oh you funny
problem I can about
beat.
Enti o can be say ebinuma ebi ana wamako anaso masisi down baby a ensomba.
Yeah.
Baby asemra no you push the kese wasi down wo kwan mu ye bebu atu agu aye nkran yo. Tenie.
It's true.
Baby a tata wo wo na ne wo kwan mu na ya be tax was we bebu wo lu bi agu ya be no say na nkran.
You feel massa?
Nkran. Tenie. Esakra. Obra. Wo de mi so nkan wo de ko hafo ya horosa hafo mu areas na ye ya kwan to tum na dan sisi bi ezia na. Ya ne sa.
Baby wan ko yi. Ko pi obi fie. Ko pi obi ejari.
Sa na tete wo sabi wo mani nsan ye nuanom ye ne atwenchen ate wo mu nso mpotam sa na no tete. Mi kro mu sa na tete. Tina me ka se nkran pa ana ye nia breta tawo ya wasim dan wo ha isi tuom ye bebu atu ya in say nkran o. But the question is the law only applicable to Accra or to Ghana?
To Ghana.
If to Ghana, then it means that some people are not doing their work well.
So
Ghana is not able to do engineer. No, maybe what? And then there are some minimum assembly. So Jamaica assembly no one. I mean, those ones now take Google calling yan. It be all. Those people there. What work are they doing? All right. Yaka 2010. And the last event of years play in Sony be about. If you said do me and
Dear Kwan.
And Nipa na was same chrono na at the North Tongue, South Tongue, Central Tongue, Catano, Nipa na 2010. I increase it as 2013. Or 13 good years.
I increase it more.
I increase more.
More.
I dying and yes seen 2010.
I increase
it be brave na 2023. 13 years. And it is an effective bar. And this is 2010. I be question be brave. And here back. Number 2. and none make us was any admin and the second one. And never me be was as a Yankopon boy, and nippant to mean control. In swooning from her. In so, any from a nipping one word near, but Nyaka you better control one for her. A baby says, Nazana can so in so I can so in Lubia. Because your gut has been brave, you know, be more. Yet your gut has been brave. Now, so you saw, okay, it's Niquine. For fine office happen, not none of them. What I watch you so from Hacker.
Baby open offer.
Offer me open behind. To most have been a man so back about you from a Crabuano. Most be at the choir. There be or one critic Niquine. Nippant mission. What shall never be a son as officer or banana who are neighbors with me to go. Send 20 people for them to win at the end of war.
You should not make any war.
What I say? So these things are matters of importance. Yes, it can be a free as here. And they are here. See what me whom video be no nado. On not me, I'm seeing on one of the film upon the post. Me, I'm ashamed. Alright. And so now you had to be down roof. I will visit you. Hey, that's why so you never go to.
Yeah. As any part of that, another problem.
So the issue is that. Say, Yamupoya, don't never be a band now, Trentum, now to me, Nuntum, in soon Potria. I dine to Donara
condemn.
Yeah, Fabian. Very and Zeben and so almost angry. I mean, having been at the Energy Ministry, I know them. They are very organized. An institution, in fact, yes, a very organized institution. Very organized. And then they are not quite a military, but I know them. A very organized institution. One more year, oh, I'm telling you.
Wow.
A very organized institution. And I'm saying this because I've seen the way they do their things and I've been around them before. Good. So I know. And I know, sir, and maybe one by your for me. But my encounters about for instance, it's the mother of them, which is the government, must do a bigger version or must meet them in halfway for us to make one. Meeting them halfway, any business say. The American way you come. So, in so you have from me that head civilian who is a tell was not about to so not make about trick. And so you do that roofing level. Automatically, they won't be a echo. And so about channel now they are on says Sabio Fanchame, more men in some. Uber commandant do not put that down as you were a yet dear a yashias to a boasia mano, pillars near Iron Rosa. And until you may and then do not know what they need to be. Some may negligently take the risk or Basako turn them back. The only option beyond. And you see that danger that we are also going to call. Because I could turn them back. Then you may another. Na anadrum from mabibbo na wo so da na kakra bia wo betene na enipa wu e wodan mu e ban say so ni be fa wo na no ana nsuo ni bia be gina dan ni mu antema dan na bo twam na no so fa na nad before betika free nkran sanso akoso mo se dishi to e wa wo no akose wo lenti buta akogina ye koyi enotie nya koyi fu afiase. Let's be bit proactive than being reactive.
The word is proactive.
Proactive. And the only way we can be proactive is say and then is what you have for. The question is having created the safe haven, which is a temporary place, those who are going to lose their properties permanently, what steps are being taken for them? Because some will lose their properties permanently.
Such steps should be taken by who? It
should be taken by the central government. Because at the end of the day, I didn't have a to before. And your welfare in the central government. Mean to me yet, ya want to mean yet, want to mean yet. And to want to mean yet, ya probably a man say, the general who are the Nawukita. Never boy. The board boy and the year catcher and said, one will be my abomo. I buy weeping through the area, a brand new me with up. Incredibly, one no woman we no being soon as some giants and soon ran a Cassiamo, including your beta. Today we say but to him. But to women in Tino, I buy prepare and as a through the area, not prepare baby. One more ecosystem I die for the animal or more. Simple houses like 2-bedroom, 1 year a day, simple houses. I call I saw most of them. Jima as could be the Jimania that those areas. Yes. Okay. Emma, you could send money in any can be done temporarily. At areas I wouldn't miss a shot, so I would be so any be more. They will not be affected. Tell you, areas that we say be should be watch some because you be in 2010 and then the nya challenge here tie di nkomoni mo man nya say the next 10 years be you san ko be mu a na ya san be transi be mu a the can 2013
the same thing
2023 the can say na ya san be can be the next 10 years or whatever. No, it should be once and for all. Having created the safe haven said wow kan yi wouldn't say nipa kwetena wo obetena abro na wotwe agaya o say oh ebia president na akwaje ye na president person dai wo mu say agaya mo miru da
David to ebia from say ye ba kwesi
ye kwetena so ne akwa ebia bi kan ye nyare wo
kwesi ara besia kwoni awi
sanate ye nyare wo eti nipa dodo aba begum nipa not less than 50 maybe in one church. Okay, wo mo no mo ma anya de ade e bada edan ba akwa na so dan ba akomu. And such other things were not provided for them. And I know them to be so much my far better. That's what I'm telling you how organized they are. I know them. Who do on working premises, you will love it.
VRO.
I am telling you. Who do VRO for working premises? And I can say, "Hano me juma." I'm telling you. They are neat. They are organized. I know. May come because minimum. I've seen the likes of Kirk as CEO. I've seen Kwakwa Otwe as CEO. I've seen most of them. Yeah, I mean, the Jamaica.
Who is the current chief executive?
I don't know him now. I mean, the current CEO anything, but I mean, at least one more time, no more honors in America. And I've been to my home premises. They were quick to say, my home, my cover, name. What are you saying? Damn, name, crying. And they are very good. I mean, I need to mean any from them. They are very organized. So I know they can do it. It is wrong. Sabidium, but if I said, don't weep and whom be a sin. But a sin, I actually immediately says about my take it. Now, buy some more energy ministry, and as I buy through energy ministry, so I says them. Never one more than anybody want to come to entrance. I buy now and what they see in and so and from Pion. None never be making a biamo with me at home till a sense on the battery. One from home, but a new tin so. Government should take steps to ensure say one more job at the end woman saying can be because see I mitigated that problem no they will go back. I'm telling you they will go back to the same place because when option be to be all permanently. Okay, so the only option is to go back to where you were earlier. Okay, I want to also be so no na asema ba no they all can do me the one you sabi afunu ya de share yes omo omo nka bi jemu
omo go hospitals
omo nka bi jemu insuo na ba. Do you know the effect that I beside the yare wise?
Okay, everyone see how I don't watch too much. Nice.
In times and in chi na ulman di okokan ye yon say entwa yi
kra
entwa yi cause we say mama tran bobo so ya kire wi ya eye bigger problem and when you see who ma yeni so beba na be ka mi bo ayan was mon tantum ma minti na se mon tuma minti no na ka ne kwada ka me ma
eye kitiri bi e fa tuntu bi ankoso to
what they say to what they say to say what they tell you what one can you yeah this year yeah for yeah this year but this year to be nya yes ka
bajo you
yen kasa so
e jana no dey so to what dey go so
o ba kan so so be ka be wa what me try kasa dey ma peli ka
o boa pa
o kan ye
o boa
kan ni so kan ye
o boa
anzo be kasa kan ye o ba kasa
kan ye pa o mai asem we buy no in fact, the interesting aspect is you can't have historic antecedents. Oh, a few ways say ABC 2010 ABC and Tiana Bissam say in all these years as I didn't see what did we do? Is it that you can't say something and asan babe 2 years nana? The other question we must ask ourselves is say we need the chat war BBC ana. That is also an answer that a question that we need to answer. Say, and yet the chat on soa, then what are we going to do? Say, be ya yen samba be jina sa position ye jina. E bi kwa na dachi bi de and no kwa be we.
The team
the team you know. And what are the mitigation factors? Then ye pese ye. Na yetimi making sure say dachi bi no. Say koba ni say BBC si a. Yen sunso a yenya no ene no. For me that is the most important argument me feel say I was say yen as on mine you started di sa nkomodi no. In fact utie safe havens say mo wo kan ni de mini atwum akan ya yenkoti adurumra eno ane ahan so what I say na enipa nso a ekosisi yomodan wo sa mia ni ade nyina no in fact utie even VR for conversation ni akokobo amode ma omo simulation exercise ni ade omo ye ya uye ni nyina yenkemfu a nipa ni tu ana otu akohe. It's also a thing to consider. Ya yenhwe han ma nipa na ba betina ho no awie. Now yes you want to ehon na nipa no didi ye ni bibia. There's even an important factor that people are not even considering. Yenuanu ni bi wo nyama hyehyɛ omo pass kwa ne ade omo som ne ade a to them no they are not ready to relocate them. You see, when you are handling a project there are certain stakeholder considerations as a one year we are no matter what to project and succeed that. Eti niama bebre na nam so ma yenuanu na edin mo omkra say ombetu efi bia na omote no e de akọ baby. Hwe onipa bi wo they so believe in tradition to the extent say baby ayesie ne papa no opese ho na yesie no. Etu koma nipa no offer kra say ne we si abronsan or different location amane so nkokra wonko because of ka say opese owutu ne nana no mo eden sense say
the buidia me kan when my professors buidia me kan na obi cemeteries communities in cemeteries they asked government then said they want all the bodies to be assumed and be taken to where they say they are going to be settled. I am telling you, Mister. I'm going to a phone
So you
I'm
see,
telling you,
people have other considerations and money is so difficult for them. Now, didn't you Americans say when people start creating such communities now, also mine quickly, you know. You're rising, you see, on Monday, yeah, Adebako made a master do or even ye quiet party kakran say. Ubetimi to an amombe 400 kilometers. No way share some small village be with a group of almost about 40 to 50 people. Omati omomusho. Oko anyone so almost about a kilometer. No asanko share another set of squad be 100 be no almost omotio. Baby atiti sanya man baby so no ma. Ensesen kebanisa. Emre almost started so more yes then. You know why this thing is so important? In the end, omobedo so ope. Now they begin to demand for amenities. I will say school call, obi here school, sa small cottage na onwe create no. O here electricity e o honom. O here insu o honom. Na e dia sudie kese abeto district assemblies ni so to the extent say now say district assembly no etimi kopeska. No twa kwan echo all those in crank kitin na yate no. So what I say? No timi twen kane akoni nyina. No timi di nsuo echo ni nyina so. Oman so your man ye niska. Etine de asudie kese abeto yeso. Etime de me fele se ene dia baya ye di hu nkomon. Ye ndi nkomon ye. Ni enye nhihye ye so that we are able to avert this in the nearest future. Say ye twen ni nya de ne ye twen me nsuo na twen amoma go back to baby omotino.
Exactly.
There's nothing different.
Exactly.
They should find a place before it's too late.
Now at this point it's too late. You see, this is a gap. What I said, this is a mine. We are struggling with resources data. Are you saying, say, the government is in a position to now resettle all this number of people?
But that's why
the answer is no.
Yeah,
Je suis bien dans ma copa. Nana muntis kazo na mutana mama mukotele na. Abaya ba ama ba o nyabuche. O kasa mai dinti ana o nyabuche. You see abaya ba. So what yes, and you have to do some pemping so edri. If we cannot have a honest conversation say this is the way to go na ye di e ho abro. Enti na make us say yenkoti edro bra no ane ahan. Wow. There's something that we need to do right. And mamin tie in with insu yiyi wo mantem muni ade hwe anya say metia make say bia ye mfiche bi isi o akwatia fi amene o ka say kwa on 2 occasions brem na yia bankofo fie on biso bi onim bia
yiri ba fie
etimi yi ba fie mankofo
se no kwana nam ya bebe na ase no
o den akwatia bo aduane nko e o brem ni timi yia de ba fie ni ade ame ebe ha adwen anya o kwa kede ni ade bisa obi onim bi obedi ho adanse chebi ni mpate mo si no ni adenya
etimi chebi kwa high court ko high court yiri ko high court I'm na make.
So the honest truth ni say it's about time I made me feel say NADMO they should move from those reactive measures
but they should be well resourced
I want to make ban they should move from reactive and now can say well resourced so they should move into a research based institution because now I know can say oman be bi aniwa nsuo yi fa me ne umienu yenim
of course
yenim ni nyina already so NADMO should go into that research based model no so that unim say ebia Bagridam ye bia these are the communities are affected and you know what are we going to do so what I say near quick fixes no is it every time beyond abaya ko is always about quick fixes
exactly
is only ba na kwa wa na kan kete ene emu
sister kete ne mu
ene ne dia abrom ne dia abrom so
enchine akesi ni bi
we must move beyond our limits you know and move into a research based institution yenim baby a nsuo yi a efa nyina no then some NADMO de ne budget shema no go into the solution of these problems.
Okay, so you see how you game park for the Hombra. Ye pemula, ye kwa basisi. Mamika was at the 29th of this very month. Ewo Perez Dome, the Quas edition at Dome Praise. Yeah, they brought me who said Ko Easter morning. Because Ko that time no see. I mean next year we are Dome Praise.
Send your quiet. I was saying for me idea.
Of course, Wahinzi Fatawu Jesus.
Man, told you there's a plan on our business.
To what? So they be a good friend. 80. Ojami had more than 29th of this very month. Perez Dome 4 pepe numerate no 9 pepe na the tata so on bra Ghana quas various quas ni na no mo ba omo ka sai fa wo nyina no won e ba be di juma so kokra ma yetimi ahye nyame animunyam o kwanso so megiri se also be crowd so ba part of this mame mokwa ni bi ba se adwumadi kasese mbo bincho but you know me say that Kel Charcoal toothpaste for us a quality product from Samara Company Limited apostles kwa yeah the airport and now facing Andrews SHS admission still in progress nti kwa afoni bi a won e ba no Destiny songs omo ba se the new song also ba se Voices of Triumph also bass here. Perez Chapel Choir also be was here. Team Eternity also be was here. Harmonious Chorals be was here. Cedar Mountain Ages also be was here. And after City Praise on be was here. Royal House Chapel Joint Choir also be was here. Better Revival Choir also be was here. The Multimedia Choir also be was here. Adom Praise the Choirs edition.
Multimedia
and multimedia.
And no woman.
The woman will be free because contrary to regulations. T-shirt almost yes, I feel me share my pie. I don't over the lawyer to be able to do it. And no with one cow got video with JBD. It's year 29, Mama and shadows and Cosepe who are it's very, very important. You may know 9 Perez Dome, 70 Ghana City. We are back to a year the studios. You better up no Kunobo Pepe partition so. And Mumudu do also some contribute on this conversation of a issue fine Ghana for your junior buying. So probably AD and common phase 2, the another team their firm 0302-211-701 equity for a nipa enum on these water management spillages and the management in one sense. And VR for behind the scenes, Lawyer Chumberry Makosuka one of the well organized who says so. Well organized. What I said was very organized. Very thumbs up. When I said that my idea pa say more such an organized entity. And to wait my contribute to quite before so you know I saw the ubitimi ko yi anwa be sigata. Na wa fa kwan half or no see the store. A kwan na there double lane or no for half or the anwa ne abo. No say the affiliate gata no. Go we see the store ni wi. E na be twema kwa ba area. In so to a na ebepem abo ne anwa na afiliate na yi abako anim na twe abo na kwasa be abo na sa be gu kwa anim so say kasa amamu a ampa political party figures no e ka ho e key but me no we cannot run away from a certain responsibility they be ameka and the money we pay you because offer even Wisconsin kwan so mia bebre wo hono ma e nsuo mu nko and development that shall spring up at a faster pace. Maybe a akukudam minu a any cathedral no sem no ono chere say omatwe omofu. The cathedral is a national conversation. It's of interest and it's very worrying. Say trimpa ebia mampan e de shase no eya ko wi amana ya sefem kakra. From where we sit, our deductions in these resignations commentaries about cathedral at the same. I'm sure I'm also.
All right. I'm cathedral near Cordia na.
Now will be a person who was in the
no, I know.
Okay.
So on near Cordia na. It will be free Bible once. Luke 14:28 to 30.
Okay.
Or say, for which of you, desiring to build a tower, does not sit down first and count the cost, whether he has enough to complete it? And the Bible, no, the question marks you.
Utrim pone se obi sisa bia na. So di kan sisi hwe. Se mo sika ana.
Ametimi de awie to complete it. Me frase ametimi awie. So Bible say duma sin akatua ni.
Nya akatua.
Say o shase you must finish. Or see otherwise, when he has laid a foundation and is not able to finish, all who see it begin to mock him, saying, this man began to build and was not able to finish. I don't know the question or no amra no for answer.
Oh, Lord, you.
But I'm quitting. Me do for safely for a reason. Me call law school. I'm starting my school somewhere Britain. Kabra. Me ni nyanko point in time. Me modin wa but me wadi a me de share nya me boss. Odom me ma de sai ni so adi hu na me frase no.
Ewie pay yo.
Ewie pay yo na ba mu a. Ade sei ni sei na me ya manya me. Me atena akash nya me de nya me se me wie ma ye. Ya tam na me de tam. Yes. Me nyanko point in time. I sow a seed and did something after or at the end of the whole thing in Amazon ye be a decision. Say a tintam and the tintam bo home pa yesterday and so man in Musama. National Cathedral. Ne knew a mind gun and she say beer the mo. Nemo your man penny no in Yanko Point in Thomas say. What pre a corona check 1996 was one. A ba na tiasan opem na why. Nemo this time dear. Only your mate. So dum no not zadie mano. And this was doing na kuma so adie with me the dum no. Or no besi dan ahye Nyankopon die nyam eno ne cathedral no so ka so bi se manyam. O man. So when me adwene before say yan tie nyina. Say ka say besi dan watch na. The first thing land. Yeboa. Unya land no you are the next thing we will trim aye architectural design. And some how don't even how to go on foundation. Yeboa. On the 5th of March 2017, the headline, President Akufo-Addo cut short for the construction of the National Cathedral.
On the 5th of March
2017. No, wadi akonya bosme mienu. Ene kakra. So about January 7, 2017, me wa. Until March the next wadi be bosme mienu ne ene kakra. Ano cutting first sword, na send the sword for National Cathedral. O mine. Sabra na will my cut sword na ye ni anything architectural design for National Cathedral. Tibiye. Now we see that guys are sword cutting for a project and then I will see. We don't even know how the design is even going to be. What's my sword cutting? 2017 March. Then the same person 2020 March. 2020 March. Nanado to cut short for National Cathedral project today. 5th March 2020. The first one I cut in and ready. Were you ready? That time, who cut in is 2017. Then 3 years after, what's somebody another short cutting him for the same project? Then, Oko anymore. 6 March 2018, Nanado unveils National Cathedral design. 6th March 2018 na so hwa o cut oye first short cut na afi asa na wo hu na architectural design so ante dan kwase ne bayo nti afi mu na o cut so de na wo tren oye den nothing but don't fear but because I want you to appreciate biblical verse number the start and say the preparation was not done. Ebien this cathedral in Nara na yes a private thing aban and another and private I mean no mind there. You hu na fe na wuram so you buy an state asset or state property. So na be Ghana there. Ya tiesim ba bia omko bua nan gu na me boss on not ono bote je hon na ni fie ni fie as minister
ibubu ni da
ye bu dan bia jabu otogu e dia not as
ministerial building
yes yebu aye now directly opposite physicians and surgeons college no pay ni entrance if you entrance efisi wo mo say e dwego judges are not titi passport office whatever I can nyatu egu and yet yes musi ye sina okay so ya power asof what through awom ye I mean come you mu nkan sa
mama onua minute nso nti fa me sa na aka no
enwie that's fine
o mind de wa Kenya na de bia me ni chumbe tena show so
o sisi o kata na de kan de hunya
we wonder we the margin ma so ba de bia to okay de yana for no si
wentien
ya wa Kenya na o sama ni minute
yanko enti
je sais o ka kosise o de for o ka kosise lamentations is
we are not lamenting tell
no ye ka ba so company for marriage we be on number
we need to let the people appreciate
what for one see so that we can make
all right for
one see
we need to know where you are coming from having done all this CRT in the man one revealing one kase back wouldn't me say the finance minister informed parliament in December 2022 an ad hoc committee say one man national cathedral 339 million Ghana cedis. That same month now, Parliament, for instance, cathedral for a group no, one more what was saying?
Board of trustees.
Yeah, they also want to meet a joint committee in Parliament. You know what they told Parliament? They told Parliament that the kind of finance minister be evidence by better of Parliament say one more 339 million and you know correct. Now they have only received 225 million.
First year, sir.
Which means that
first year, sir.
Amai.
Mami, so me try say. Unti come say.
Yenu NDC for.
Me try say.
Ebelebe mama.
Oh, come na say you no understand.
You could have. And of course go anya somewhere.
Asma be kan.
Amai, no kwani say. National Cathedral issue. Yenu NDC for try so be paint picture be say. Ye Kufuor the personal
and personal thing.
Oh nyabote.
Personal.
Me dintie wa.
And personal.
That's what more about question from personal to state.
Yes.
Where en fa na question o shebo na chum gina obi.
Okay. Then you go ka ask.
Yeah. Because what now
nyame tentama.
Oni nyame tentam na ejina obi. Debi na oni you nyame tentam na ejina obi.
Oga sa we man show.
Nyabote ni yemhye no we. Ni yemhye na ono na se. Oh my, no kwani say. Ensem ni bi wo na ye ka. Yenua no person create image na man looking like say Yeru Akufo-Addo any personal project. Enti ense say ebedu baby aba beduin. Yemfa ni say sa asem na omo kan mpo no sa na tie a. O man say wo ye sofo. Na so do ni nyame tentam say wo besi asori dan a. Wo si asori dan na say bi say your personal project. Asori ne dia. Meboa. So be di mampani na utu anamo which is of a national interest your personal project. And your personal project it becomes a national project. You see I can one kasa kwanti enye ferries that wo ka say national cathedral now we are no be ka say ya Akufo-Addo personal project. I gave you that respect. I was say your ferries because even if he go by the argument say any personal project mami bisa o mine sempo no susu say nka Yeru Akufo-Addo person o si asori dan ti say near Osofupeni Duncan Williams and I said the Miami Sofupeni Otabo esi o ankabana nkonsi nwie deda. The vision change na nipa ne pese o ya dia e dem faso kese bebre o man na ene o ti o say because nipa ada so dae say ye ade ne kodu Sam Pempensuo say ya e dem faso beba o man no it should still be his personal sanya twom na ye de ye e wo ya manyo sem no e moye oni say ne yetimi di nkomo e ka say anke sesenka state ne kwa finance political parties in order to avoid corruption. It is a who you be in order with accountability any pepe yo ususu say Ghana ko n'anima would you ever think say such a magnificent project no ususu so mampeni bi emfa ni sika enconsider is that your thinking is that your contemplation
there's not been clarity and honesty from day one.
Thank you very much.
Why
there's not it's in the letter.
On my time Adom is that we also woman no society program no
so I want you to know
ene no asofu mpenifo ya omo se omo atwe omo efi National Cathedral no what are they asking for? They are asking for accountability and transparency. And no na make sure say it is such a magnificent project kesia it is no se bo da so dae wo utrim ejiji utrim kwa say e wo so mampeni di ni bottom sikesia na onti amemu ase. It shouldn't be so be betimi atena baby esusu say o say o mampeni dey personal money because it is a recipe for corruption. So all that dreams are doing him fan a National Cathedral be across the world you see o mampeni be bottom scandal this year
madaroma ye dey enka bi nhyimu dey tie say o mampeni da so daye no na ni suade hu odi bani ana mo mpanyimfo beka che say eni o man ni sikasem ni ayonkofo bia the commitment of man no
much o man
ye dey come no
o man o say o man peni ani so ade hu na o say utimi so dai say bia obesi edan yesi we so man peni ani so ade hu ni say nko osi chapel ti say ne ye sofu peni Dr. Mensa Otaboesi and I said Duncan Williams esi ni bia Akabana within 1 year time ko esie but the thing the narrative the narrative changes. The project has changed. The vision has changed.
So
and I'm sure say anti senka eka chapel dan bi say o si chapel bi esiwa within 1 year time senka wa complete what I say but who nim say project ni be bia say project na kodu ne kesi ya etie ene faso do dia do be bre on mine no
clearly mampeni ti ko antimi
clearly you know so mampeni entumi ye it is if it becomes a national interest project now was so on mine me nka me kwa me ni on mampeni a what I was going to do at the time they say me anka mra vision no assign na aye kesi esa no we take it to parliament for parliament to approve it then we proceed on a national build up. That for me should have been the way out and I said media men and come personal position and come me say oh Tiana say you are still assuming and I say oh timu publish o timu say na Yera Akufo-Addo ni Nyankopon na court time yenti one fan the bottom sika nkosi a then the question is why would that because the truth of the matter is one gaza with you very perfect say National Cathedral of that magnitude no enye bottom sika
that magnitude one ka son gwen
enye o say nya tomorrow enne muti o man mu ka bi mutimi ka say Israel etimi nya religious tourism etimi nya sika to this magnitude
there was no national discussion that was not a national project
say why should he
there was no national discussion
no discuss why
oh really but you are using our money to do it and you don't need to discuss with me.
Now most of the project
you promise us that
agenda one
you guys are making mistakes. Can the president told us that state will not fund it? Why
nobody discuss here?
Oh my kind.
You keep going back.
Can the president said that the state will not fund it? So why are you using state money?
My question mama here is what your problem.
We understand.
Oh this we understand. Yeah we understand. Me here no actually say the project has changed.
From where to where?
From the time
who changed it? Who asked you to change it? Who asked you to change it?
That's what my penny authority in future.
Now what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Do you know? He's working for us.
It's a project.
He's working for us. Yes, he needs our authority to do that.
Joke of the century.
What is it? He needs our authority to do that. Look at the money over 300 million. I'm wasting on. And you guys are happy.
What kind of joke is that?
You have wasted over 300 million. And you guys are happy.
You can only sit in your room and cry.
All right, so
but you have wasted over 300 million at the foundation.
National. What's the sponsorship?
No.
When you say man we see over 300 million Ghana cedis at one day jamana at one now that can William says you put you on the national cathedral no that can William say munya audit but can money and the tourists e bomb mine is so bad san fa so ne be kwa kogu era ko me see that can William say
Onyame Adom a echina yebehia